Yeah, Beenie Man, I want to tell us I'm going to go Friends for real, right? I go Friends for real. And I advise the song for, I did advise the full song for Marcus.
Yes.
So I advise the full song for Marcus and me I said, Jano, all right then, oh, me feel like Beenie Man, because it's a clean song. So me write that song, honestly, for Beenie. Because I think through Beenie meditation, and I say, all right, you know what, Beenie Man put a verse on this song. I wonder if I'm going to do it though, because I never step up to a big, I eat begging, you know. So, me go to, me go on there and I say, Beenie, I do dub. And I say, Beenie, you know, me have a song, I want to do a verse. And the man say, yeah man, link me tomorrow. I say, watch all in big style, I'm going to share myself though. You know, instead of leave the session, they don't have the session too. I leave it in engine gear and our friends. I say, man, I can style. Yeah, man, big, because I know artists think, yeah man, I deal with it, man.
Yeah, man,
look more. Yeah, man, later.
Yeah.
I frightened him call in the night. I did in bed and call me. Come in and look out for his song, you know. And the engineer comes and say, Beenie, have I the song, you know. I fast as I jump out and jump in my car, man. I skate, man. I know I say, yeah, man, I skate, man. Like, you know, it's a good feeling. Like,
Of course.
up to this day, I still want to shoot. I want my song where, my fight is song, all right. That song before I even put it on my EP, I still put it on the EP. You know? Because that is one of my song way to me. Beenie them a legend, you know. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Beenie them a my legend, you know. Like,
100%.
As I look at, I don't know who want to size up and some look who I want to wear and disrespect. But Beenie them, a legend. Like, me don't want to answer the body feel, but Beenie them in a Bob Marley status to me. To me, Beenie Bounty Killer, a them status that them there too. For me, Beenie them a legend for Jamaica music. Beenie them stand up in that like.
I just posted a video this morning with Beenie Man in New Zealand. Mashing up the place. And when you look at the crowd is way out
Yeah,
there.
man, Beenie them
I
a
think it was
legend,
him
man.
and Shensia, them, they were out there.
Beenie them a
mashing
big
up the
legend,
place,
man. When you talk about, come on, man, them man they make all the people fly over Jamaica and over there. Remember me, I used to run down courts to watch Beenie Man perform, you know, man. You can't tell me nothing, man.
Dr. Bass.
So some new people who don't know the history, like, this me don't like with Jamaica sometimes. I love Jamaica, but them try, them not keep, they use them up to date about history. It's like how America we make it, oh, that's a Jay-Z, and him do this, and him do that. What Beenie them do, you don't even hear about it. What Bounty them do, you don't even, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Nobody even know, say, you know, Bounty perform a Super Bowl? You know what rap artists don't perform? You know, it's a big deal for hip-hop artists perform at a Super Bowl. You know, Bounty them do them something there already. You know, Beenie them do some whole heap of something already. Like, them Jamaica just look over what's at.
What's happening right now.
And then quick tell us, say, yo, you're all on your flap, go.
Right now.
Yeah, them not put no respect on it. I have to put respect on them, man. Them man, they're icon. I always show them love.
Why do you think when it came to verses, when we're all in the pandemic, and Beenie and Bounty is the one that really raised the level?
Yeah.
Where it seemed like you could think of every artist you could think about was on that live, from Rihanna, Busta Rhymes, the whole of them were all in there. And to see what Beenie and Bounty, how they took it to that level, boss.
Some people don't understand that. Them is like a Bob Marley and to me, so that's just my thing.
Yeah, so
Bounty
it was
and
a
Beenie,
good
man, whole heap of
vibe
respect.
having them.
Whole heap of respect for them. Because, you see, and them are real people. Like, to me, they say all Bounty Killer, I can't have nothing bad to say about Bounty. Bounty a G. I remember shooting a video. I'm going to call Payday. Because me and Payday close. And I say, Payday, you know, more Bounty Killer in my video.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And the man said, oh, I'm telling man, I tell the Killer. And Killer say, yo, Navino want, me don't have a car at the time. My friend have a taxi, and my friend, me have to wait till him finish work. So Bounty stand up, run in the studio, wait. About 3 hours. Who have Bounty wait so long? When me reach around him, I said, Jano. I said, Godfather, only thing he said, time is money, get the camera rolling. That's all him say. And we start shoot the video. Just like that.
Killer.
And I remember me get 30 grand. And say, Killer, me I get the one and give me back the money and do the dub. You can't disrespect Killer, man.
Not
And I like me beg him, just say, yo, you never beg me nothing yet. And do the dub plate. So, they have to put all the respect on them, man.
Yeah.
Beenie, Bounty, them, all the general them.
Definitely.
But enough youth, in our music where I come, them don't even care. Like, them don't really care about them, don't know the history, you know what I mean? And so everybody can voice themselves in a studio now. They're not going to have the respect there for certain people. You know what I mean? But me will come get the era there, plus me can voice myself in my room.
Yeah.
Me know what it me enjoy and me still, yo, you know what I mean?
It was you see, those times it was the camaraderie and the linkage of the artists. As you said, you just happen to walk into a studio, you see Beenie Man doing some dub plates, and you could talk to me and say, yeah, man, we'll do it. You seen Killer, and it's the camaraderie, the linkage. Those right now, everybody's so separate. You have to send a man a DM, send him a WhatsApp, you'll send it back. More time when it's time to do the video, it might take a year to do the video because we're not in the same place.
Everybody like everybody feel like them above. And one more I tell every artist is just enjoy your time, you know, and be mindful. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Be careful where you disrespect. So just show love, because you probably need a person. You know what I mean?
100%.
Show love. No matter the whole part. You know, you can hold a standard. Because you know what I mean? But show love. Don't disrespect people. Yeah, man. Because nobody tomorrow is the man to, you know what I mean? So you have to be careful.
You get it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.